late George Harrison. I really want to see you now, my Lord. I really want to feel you. I really want to see you. It's a very wonderful song, My Sweet Lord, right? Madaram, Madaram, Madaradi Patera Kilam Madaram. That was his version of Vallabhacharya's Madarastakam. Vallabhacharya 500 years ago. Vallabhacharya, who is Vallabhacharya? Kavi Karnapur says Vallabhacharya is Shukadev Goswami. Says he's Shukadev Goswami. Vallabhabhatta. Vallabhabhatta is Vallabhacharya, I believe so. Because he says Vallabhabhatta is Shukadev Goswami and Ganodesh Deepika. Shukadev. Remember we did the Dandavats this morning. So now he's writing 500 years ago Madarastakam. Madaradi Patera Kilam Madaram. But then 50 years ago, George Harrison wrote a retake on it. My Sweet Lord. So this is entering the Leela as much as we can by the strength of our surrender and our prayer to Krishna's Kaviraj, our prayer to Mahaprabhu, our prayer to Chaitanya Charitamrita. Chaitanya Charitamrita is a personality. The Shastra is also alive. It's living. It's a separate individual. It's a separate personality. And it's an expression of the Sandhini Shakti of the Lord. It's creating the existence of the Lord. The Shastra itself is a Leela Bhumi. It's a Leela Dham. So we also pray to the Shastra. Let me enter you. Let me walk within your soil. The Bhagavatam, it's a Leela. It's a Sandhini Shakti. Like Balaram becomes Braj Mandal. Balaram expands his Sandhini Shakti to create the existence, the foundation for the Leela. And the Lord moves around this Sandhini Shakti. So the Shastra is created by these Sarup Shakti individuals. Krishna's Kaviraj, Kasturi Manjari. Kasturi Manjari is a Kaya Vyuha Sakhi. She's expanded directly from the Sarup Shakti of Radharani. Krishna's Sarup Shakti, Radharani is Sarup Shakti. She is a Sarup Shakti. And so he is creating this Leela Bhumi here in this Chaitanya Charitamrita. So we pray to the Shastra. In this case, we pray to Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. Please let me understand something of your Leelas, of your teachings, of your Tattva Vichar, Tattva Siddhanta, and your Leela Vichar. And we pray that we go to the Leela Bhumi of Bhagavat Bhumi, Chaitanya Bhagavat, or Srimad Bhagavat, and we enter there. So this is part of how we approach the Leela, and we approach the Shastra, the author, the actors, because the Shastra are full of dramas. There's different acts in a drama. We call Leela or drama. And there are different players, a Nayaka and Nayak, the hero and the heroine. And they're in the relationships. So we want to be there, very much there, in a mood of observing, and a mood of hearing, and becoming absorbed, and a mood of service. And the higher end, we become so attracted and so interested to take part and to join there, that we want to join there with folded hands. Kim Karomi. We will approach the Leela, and we'll approach the Lord. And we'll approach the Lord's associates in his Leela with folded hands saying, Kim Karomi. Kim Karomi means, how may I serve? How may I serve you? How may I assist you? How may I please you in these pastimes? Ai Nanda Tanacha Kinkaram. Kinkaram means Kim Karomi. Kinkar Bhav means Seva Bhav. Kinkar, Kinkari. Kinkari means maid servant, handmaiden, female. Kinkar means male servant, cowherd boy, or house servant, raktak, patrak, servants of the Lord in Nandagan, serving as dressing, cooking, bathing, sleeping, etc. And then his personal servants and friends, Sridham Subal. So this is Kinkar Bhav, Kinkari Bhav. This word Kinkar or Kinkari comes from Kim Karomi. How may I serve you? So that's the higher end of entering into the Shastra, entering into the Leela. It comes on the level of Raganuga sadhana and Bhava Bhakti, Asakti, Bhava, and Prema, where we're entering to do seva there. And we have the proper body to do the seva, which means siddhadeha. But first we have to cultivate the bhav. Behind the body is the bhav, the mood, the bhav.